and in today's Qigong lesson, we're going to show you a practical and very effective way to improve your circulatory system.
It's a good idea to watch this one from beginning to end, and I think you'll learn a lot and it will really get your blood flowing. So stick with Bob and Fran and let's get healthy together. Namaste, and welcome. In today's class, we're going to be working to improve the circulatory system. So let's dive right in. We start with our feet separated, a little wider than shoulder width apart, with the toes pointing forward. Feel nice and solid, comfortable in your stance. And then we're going to begin to circulate the blood as we sink and cross the right arm under the left. And then inhale both hands up, turning the palms out and coming up overhead, and then exhaling gently downward. So let's repeat. Inhale up, hold the breath, and exhale out. Inhale, and exhale. So this little exercise is called balancing the yin and yang, and it's a very important element in improving and maintaining good circulation. And we do a couple more. Don't forget to coordinate the breath with the movements. So here we exhale down, and we inhale up. And we'll do one more. In breath, and out breath. The next exercise is called flying. Here we inhale the hands up the sides to about the shoulders, and then we roll the wrist outward, and then we exhale down and come back toward the center. So it's in breath, roll the wrist, and exhale down. Nice and slow. Inhale, and exhale. So this exercise, this flying, sort of has the idea of lightness in your body. Feeling the energy pulse through your body. And the ancient Chinese believed that where the qi goes, the blood follows. So once again, we inhale up and exhale down. We prefer that we all breathe in and out through the nose. Inhale and exhale. And we'll do one more. Inhale and exhale. Now with the palms facing, bring the palms upward so the fingertips are pointing up. And then we're going to come with the hands facing each other just a little overhead, and then we separate the arms into a large circle and come down, sinking again, and then up again. So it's in breath, hold up here, and then out breath as you sink. So the body is going up and down as the hands circle out. Sinking, hands come together but don't touch, and rising. So let's, on this repetition, make the ball just a little smaller, not quite as far out. Good. Breathing's the same. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let's get a little smaller now. Palms face throughout. And sometimes as the palms come close, you can feel a connection, sort of an electromagnetic connection between the hands. And now a little smaller. And smaller. Tiny circles here. Good. Now place the hands face down. As you shift your weight to the right side, extend the arms out and around very slowly, the palms facing the earth, and then come in. So repeating, shift to the right, extend the arms. Curve around, circling, back in. Shift your weight from side to side here. So out, shift the weight, and come in. Out to the right. So when we extend the arms, we keep the elbows bent so we don't lock the joints here. Shift to the right, extend. Circle out, around, shifting to the left here, and back in. And one more time. Out, around, and back in. Let's circle the opposite direction. So we continue circling to the left, arms extend, shifting your weight, and coming in. Shifting left, extending, palms facing down, and you're breathing in and out through your nose. Shifting, extending, circling around. One more time. Extend, circle, and in. This time, I'd like to teach you an exercise that we call skimming the water. So together, we're going to shift onto the right leg and extend the right hand forward. Elbow is bent. Palm is nice and soft here. Now we're going to shift our weight to the left side as we circle around with one arm. And then when you get to the left side, you can extend the left hand outward and bring the right hand in, and then start shifting to the right, circling out. We bring the left hand in, extend the right, and skim the water. So what we're doing is shifting from side to side, very slow, and replacing one hand with the other when we get to that side. So it's left hand out, right hand out. Slow, shifting from one side to the other. Slow. This time turn the palms out as you continue, I should say upward. Extend, shift. Same idea, just the palms facing the heavens. Shifting our weight from side to side, replacing each hand as we get to that side. Shifting, replace, shifting, good. And one more cycle to each side. And back into center. And just as we began, so shall we end with the balancing of the yin and yang. Remember this one? We cross one hand over the other. Palms face out as we separate overhead. So it's sink, cross, palms turn out and up, and we exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. In breath, and out breath. And one final time, working your circulatory system and healing your body. Great job. So, as usual, I'm going to ask that if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do that. Please tap the notification button as well so you're alerted as to our upcoming videos. And most important, you could help us grow our channel so we produce more and more videos for you on Qigong by spreading the word to friends and family. So we thank you for that. We hope you have a great day, and we say namaste.
Namaste.